Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ula penlong ye ka jinglet jurip ya ka than khat arshnong like kro CNRD block ban khmi halo ka jingsei so jong ka kampan rai kani ka jinglet jurip ka kedewru halo ka jingkut jingmot jong ka sarkar ban kentew ye ka than ban penkup bor ye ki nongshong shnong hakaliang jong ka rai ka par kani ka jinglet jurip ka longru ban penlet jingmot haka baidei bat ki jaka bala pentrei lengba jong ka scheme MGN REGA hapo Laitmawsiang bat Laitsohpliah ka badon halenti sora UCM ulai mer jingmot ru bat ki nong trei job card ki self help group kumjo ru ki village organization ke bailon rengkat lang habaro ki te ki arjaka ke blapan pau ru halo ka jingkut jingmot ban penya chekmat ya ka jingpen trei kam na ka benta ka roi ka par Kajing emer jingmut kalapan pauru halo kajing don kam jong ka scheme MGN REGA but kajing job ki balayo hapo jong ka shnong ka thau kabalapan scam ru halo kajing kut jingmut jong ka sarkar halo ka roi ka par bat ka bha ka miat jong ki paidbah nong shong shnong nakaliang jong UCM ulapan pauru halo ka sinjam jong ka sarkar Meghalaya nakabenta ka shnong light ring eu ban pen ka ladur langba kajing pentrei ya ki project bat ki sinjam ban kentiu ya kajing long jingman jong ki nong shong shnong Kani ka kentup halo ka jingbu ya ka jaka yele kai na ka benta ki khna ni ka children's park but ka jaka ki lan met ni ka gym hapo ka per jong ka krem cave park khnang ban penshiro ya ki nong shong shnong hakaliang jong ka koit ka khia
Put this one.
Okay.
So just put it as an additional one.
Okay.
I'll tell the contractor to do this one. Just the children's park. They doesn't have to put open gym, but we'll do the children's park.
Okay, sir.
The
Okay.
right. I saw the parking. Yeah. So you need to, you want to level that and make it parking. Expand also. And the road. You mentioned the road also. Give the full support from tourism from everywhere. So we are here in Laitsohpliah and we have come to see the different kind of infrastructures in tourism and how to improve the overall infrastructure and overall experience for the tourists. This of course is an area which has got huge potential and hence we feel that by ensuring that we are able to improve the basic infrastructure here, we are seeing the shops. We would like to see that how we could make it better, provide better infrastructure, better experience for the tourist, cleaner systems out here, more trained people. So our same people will be running this place, but they should be or they can be trained a bit more in hospitality, so that the experience for the tourist ultimately improves. So today I'm going to multiple locations to check this out and improve the basic infrastructure like parking areas, toilets, footpaths, the roads, all these basic infrastructures to be improved all along this circuit of Sora circuit, and as I said, and how to create employment through tourism by ensuring that we're able to promote the local shops, we're able to promote the local VOs or SHGs by providing them training and different kind of machinery so that they can make tourist related products like souvenirs. So all these are being looked into, and I'm happy that I've got a very, very positive response from the people out here, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to take tourism and the entire experience of the tourist to a new level, and through that create better employment opportunities for the people living in this area.
Water scarcity is a problem here because we have no proper source of water. As of now, I would say in summer, so much of rainfall we receive, but we cannot capture rainwater. The reason is that we don't have the capacity to build water tanks to harvest rainwater. So also we have approached our MLA, and he has given an assurance that he will work hard so that the work, because we know that water has to come here from a faraway place. So to speed up the work so that we avail this basic necessity. So we hope that you will work together with our MLA, and we hope that in years to come we will get this basic necessity. Thank you, sir.
So I would like to inform all of you that the SWARE Combined Water Supply Scheme, which is targeting 8 habitations, including this village, has already been sanctioned at an amount of 47.5 crores. So almost 48 crores has been sanctioned, and the preliminary work order also has been issued. So I expect the water supply work to start very, very soon.
Pinamashon John Pila Pesco, and Madame Belanda ke plan road by local M&A. The isa ipa open scam mula kata dan kita kaswer combined water supply scheme. Begitu ya pad kisnong untuk yang sonjol piro. Pada kali kita itu kita belayar cikmat berkata kepisah dalam bahadu sapunya kro kan bang dan takal kan bang sonjol pi kumala pesnong ramasnong punya hak ni sonjol pi. Kita kam kan kita would hit man mobilai kita proses belayar cikmat.
And as I was mentioning to you that this village has taken a lot of initiative through the women self-help groups and the VOs out here, where every member from each family, a member from each family in this village is part of a self-help group. And all these products you're seeing in front are all made out of millet. And since this is a year, International Year of Millet, this village and the VO has decided to process the millet out here, and they've asked for a processing plant, and I'm happy to inform them that I have decided that we will put up a very good processing plant out here, and also a restaurant to showcase the products that they make, as this will encourage support the locals out here as well as encourage other villages and other VOs also to move in similar lines. So these are great products, all being made out of millet out here. It's a great example for other villages and other self-help groups to follow. This is amazing here. I'm so impressed with this. Yeah, I got it. This is really good. So, I don't know how to ask this, but so this product is selling?
Yes.
And how much revenue do you get in a year, in a month? For roughly 5,000 per month, 2,000 per month. How are you really good knows? This is another product that is made with millet. This is millet horlicks, they're calling it. So basically, again, you just have to mix it with hot water, and obviously you get all the nutrition that you can get from the millet, and therefore it's again a very unique product, and I'm really impressed with this, the VO, the work that the self-help groups are doing, the innovation that they're doing, and we'll be very, very happy as a government to give them full support so that they are able to increase their production and also to package the products in a better manner so that the market linkage also gets better. And we should be promoting these products in all our tourist destinations. So I really congratulate all of you and thank all of you for your initiative and assure you of all the support from our side to take the products and make the whole production.
Consider millet super.
Yes, it is. The whole world. The whole now. Yeah.
So,
Don't eat it.
we want to see something.
Nah.